everyone, today we'll do this split and how to stretch a split. For that, I will show you some elements which you can do and sit in the split. Okay, let's try to stand and take 2 blocks. And you'll get stay in this position and starting to pushing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, try taking this split, take our elbow, not elbow, our knee on the blocks and stay in this position. So take it and try take back leg. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Try stay in this position and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, we will try slowly slide down in the split and try sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try take 2 legs together. Take our breath, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're going to watch my other videos. Take likes, write me good comments. So bye bye.